What's up, guys? Welcome back. If you are new here, my name is Melody and welcome to my channel. What's up, guys? Today's video is going to be a little bit more playful. I am excited. I just recently got the Morphe Dare to Create palette, and it's very reflective. Look at that. Isn't that nice? It's so pretty. If you are aware of how this looks, or not aware of how this looks, this is what it looks like. It is so beautiful. I'm loving these greens down here. Oh my gosh, are you kidding? All I've done really is just kind of swatch on it. I have yet to put this on my eyeballs, so I figured today we could do that. I'm definitely looking up here though at these kind of reds and pinks and purpley tones. I don't know, I'm really drawn, especially this color up here, this like, oh my god. So I'm gonna go ahead and zoom you guys in and we will get into it. The only downside I see to this palette is that it's huge. That's what she said. I kind of have an idea of something that I want to try. So if this fails miserably, this will be on the internet. So that's good news. I think first I'm gonna go in with this kind of very neutral shade here. I have no idea how this is gonna turn out, you guys. So if it looks bad, well, we had fun. So I'm gonna go in, it's so hard to hold this giant palette up. I'm gonna go in with this kind of orangey, rusty shade. You guys, I am loving the color payoff on this palette so far. Like, holy moly. Next I'm gonna go in with this shade here. Taking a smaller, more defined brush, I'm going to go in with this shade right here next to it. Ooh. Now I'm going to go in with this purpley tone right here. I'm going to do the same thing essentially. Now just to kind of like really intensify the eyes, I want to go in with just this black that's down here. And I'm going to put that really close to my lash line. And I'm using just an angled brush. This is a Real Techniques angled brush. Is that what it's called? Brow brush? I don't know. Just gonna use this brush again and go back in with that really dark purple and kind of smudge that out. Y'all, these colors are fun. So now I'm gonna go in with the NYX liner right now. So I'm just gonna use a flat brush. First of all, let me actually use a bit of makeup wipe. This is kind of like doing a cut crease, but I'm using white liner instead to really make that color. I want it to pop much more. Ooh, that looks fun. I'm not really worried about the outer edge because I can easily go in and clean that. Now I'm gonna go in with this red shimmery whatever shade have you. I'm gonna go in with that and put that on top of the white. Pray for me. I want to define the line. This is the Tarte Pro Glitter Liner, and this is in rose gold. I wonder how this is gonna look. I really hope this doesn't mess anything up. Whoa. All right, now I'm gonna flip it over to the other side and add this glitter. This eye is way better than this eye. Like, it's killing me. I'm gonna go ahead and use a makeup wipe and clean up the bukus of fallout that I seem to have acquired. I'm gonna go ahead and do my base and my brows and stuff like that, the rest of my face off camera, and I will be right back, and then we'll finish the lower line and finish out this look. Okay, so I have gone and finished my face for the most part, and I am going to, I've been looking at my face throughout this process, and I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over the rose gold liner with some of the Urban Decay Heavy Metal in Midnight Cowboy. I just want it to look a little bit more gold than it looks, just because the shadows are mixing in on it, and I don't know, I feel like it's because of that it's blending in more. I think it stands out much better now. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish the lower lash line. So I'm gonna go back in with this brush here. I'm gonna start off using that orange shade. Then I'm gonna go in with the pinkish purpley shade. And then I'm gonna darken it up using this dark plum purple shade. All right, now I'm gonna go in with the kohl pencil. This is Black Ebony from Lancome, and I'm just gonna tight line and put that on my waterline. Just gonna go back in with that plum shade and just kind of smoke it out even more, and to kind of set that black that I put. All right, so I think I'm gonna go in with a more nude shade, and I'm gonna go in with a classic that I love. This is the NYX Liquid Suede in Soft Spoken. Oh my gosh. I didn't even do mascara. Alright, so I'm going to put on a quick coat of mascara. This is just the Maybelline Lash Sensational. You know, I don't think that I'm going to go with falsies today. I'm trying to give my eyes a little bit of a break from them, and plus every look that I do, I don't want to have falsies. Well, that's all the time that I have for you guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I guess I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!